Hey everyone, Kevin here. What I've got here is the Ledger Nano S, and what I'm going to do is a very quick unboxing. I will be doing a detailed review in the future after I've tried the Ledger Nano out. Once I've tested it all, I will give you my thoughts on it. But in this video, I just want to show you what's in the box. Now, I'm sure you guys know what the Ledger Nano S is all about. It is arguably the most well-known hardware wallet out there. There are alternatives, and I will be reviewing more like the KeepKey and the Trezor and all that in the future. You can see in the back here it talks about it being a hardware wallet based on secure element for storing cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, FIDO authentication, USB. So here we go. There it is. That's the Ledger. So there's a little bit catching my lights there a little bit. Now I'll put that to the side for a second. We'll just see what else is in the box. Really nice presentation. So there is a little welcome leaflet there. I don't know if that's a whole package. Right, so I'll put that to the side just now. So there's a lot of different things in here. There's like things for keyring. Got a holder if you want to, a little clasp that you can put to your keys or something, I guess. You've got the USB charging cable, type A to micro B by the looks of it. And then you've got the ledger itself. Vires in numeres, Ledger Nano S. So there's two buttons there. When this is obviously plugged in, you will see, you'll be able to see the transactions and all that. But right now, you're not going to see that. But you can see there's two buttons. There's really not much to say. I mean, it is just a USB flash drive. That's all it is, really. I mean, it's just, that's all it is. There's not much to say about it, really. So I'll just quickly show you what's in here. So it's got a recovery phase if you want to write down a list of 24 words. So it's your recovery sheet. It's got a little leaflet just telling you to go to start.ledgerwallet.com. Did you notice there is no anti-tampering sticker on this box? No, I didn't. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Again, this is what you get in here. You get the Ledger Nano and you get the charging cable. That is the most important thing to look out for. If you want to put this through here, it'd be very easy to put that through the design. You can set that up. You can also put in a keyring by the looks of it as well, whatever you prefer. So yeah, there isn't really much to it. So this has been the Ledger Nano S. I will do a more complete review in the future, but right now I just wanted to show you what's in the box. So if you decide to go out there and buy this, you're talking just under €100. It's around the world, £90, $90, between $90 and $100, euros, pounds. It's around that price around the world. You can order direct from Amazon, but you can, if you prefer, order directly from them. If you order from Amazon, my advice is to reset it when you do buy it. But I'll talk about more about that in the future. If you've got any questions about this or any questions you want me to address in my any future videos, please do leave a comment below. I hope you found this useful, and until next time, thanks for watching.